Hi everyone, this is the program for Q operations using array. So all of you know about Q operations, right? That is NQ, DQ, display the elements in the queue. These are the basic three functions you are having in Q. So what is a queue? Queue is a linear data structure. So what about NQ? NQ is nothing but inserting the element into the queue, and DQ is nothing but deleting the element from the queue, and display is used to display all the elements available in the queue. So this is the program for queue operations. So here first I'll define max space 5. So using here my queue maximum size is 5. Only 5 elements will be inserted in this queue. Okay, after that the condition overflow occurs. So here I'll declare the functions for NQ, DQ and display. After that int Q of max. What is the maximum size of Q? 5. So Q maximum size is 5. So before in Q you have to insert the element at rear end and delete the element at front end. So here you are having two ends. One is front end and second one is rear end. Rear end is used to insert the element and front end is used to delete the element from in Q. Okay, after that here while of 1 is nothing but every time condition is true. Here in printf statement NQ, DQ, display, exit. These are all basic operations on Q. After that I'll write the function printf enter your choice. Using scanf I can read my choice one. So using in switch case, which function will be there in case 1? NQ. NQ is nothing but the cursor goes to NQ is nothing but function call for inserting the element. So the cursor comes to NQ function. Here first you have to insert the element. Here first you have to check the condition rear is equal to max minus 1. What is the initial max value? Sorry, what is the initial rear value? Minus 1. Before inserting the element, rear and front will be minus 1 only. So minus 1 is equal to what is the max value? 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So minus 1 is equal to 4. Condition false. The cursor comes to else part. Here I'll write the printf statement, enter the element to be inserted. So which element you want to insert, that element will be reading using scanf. So my element is 10. After that rear plus plus. What is the initial value of rear? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. So that element will be inserted in Q of rear. What is the rear value now? 0. In Q of 0, 10 will be inserted. Okay, clear? Next, again I can choose and case 1, that is NQ. The cursor comes here. Again you have to check the condition. What is the rear value now? 0. 0 is equal to 4. Condition false. The cursor comes to else part. Here again I can insert the element through scanf. My element is 20. Now rear plus plus. What is the initial previous rear value? 0. That will be incremented by 1. So Q of 1 element will be placed. So 20 will be placed. Right, again I can choose case 1. So now what is the rear value? What is the previous rear value? 1. 1 is equal to 4. Condition false. The cursor comes to else part. Here I want to insert 30. So rear plus plus. What is the rear value now? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So in place of rear of Q of 2, 30 will be inserted. Clear? Next, I can choose case 2. Case 2 is nothing but DQ function. DQ is used to delete the function, right? So delete the element from the Q. So DQ. The cursor comes to function definition of DQ. So here, what is the rear value? After inserting the element, the rear value will be 2, right? So 2 is equal to what is the front value? 2 is equal to minus 1. Before deleting the element, the front value will be minus 1 D. So 2 is equal to minus 1, condition false. The cursor comes here, else part. So front plus plus. What is the front value? Previous front value is minus 1. Now front plus plus. After increment by 1, now front value will be 0. I is equal to Q of front. Which value will be there in Q of front? That is Q of 0. Front value will be 0, right? Q of 0 will be having 10, so that will be stored in I. Okay, next I can choose display function. That is case 3. The cursor comes here. Display rear is equal to front. Now rear is equal to 2 is equal to what is the front value? 0. 2 is equal to 0. Condition false. So here comes here I is equal to front plus 1. What is the front value? What is the front value now? 0 plus 1, 1. I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to rear. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. Here Q of 1. Which value will be there in Q of 1? Which value will be there in Q of 1? That is 20. In Q of 0, 10 will be there. In Q of 1, 20 will be there. And Q of 2, 30 will be there. So after deleting first element, that is 10. So I is equal to front plus 1. So I is equal to, now front value will be 0. 1 less than, 1 plus 1, sorry, 0 plus 1, 1. So I is equal to, I is equal to 1. Now I less than or equal to rear. Rear value is 2. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. Printf Q of I. Q of I value is Q of 1. So which value will be there in Q of 1? 20 will be displayed. Again the I will be incremented. Now I is equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. Printf Q of 2. Which value will be there in Q of 2? 30. That will be printed. So this is the program for Q operations using arrays. Now I'll show you the execution of this Q program. This is nothing but Q program. So you have to run the program. Enter your choice 1. So I want to insert my element as 10. So after that again I can choose 1. My inserted element 20. Again I can choose 1. My inserted element is 30. So after that I can choose my option as 2. So 22. 2 is DQ. After that I will display the elements. So choice 3. What are the value? Which values will be there in the queue? 20 and 30. 10 will be deleted, right? Now again I can choose 1. So now I will insert the element as 40. So now I display the elements. So 20, 30, 40 will be there in the queue. First element will be deleted, right? Using DQ function, you have to delete the first element, that is Q of 0th element, that is 10 will be deleted. After deleting, 20, 30, 40 will be there. After that I will choose 4. 4 is nothing but exit. The cursor comes out of the console. Okay. Thank you.